Now, these are the reason why if I see some videos on social media, I know they could they jump out to come they fight for the person or whatever. Because some of these people, when they complain, majority of them, they get faults. They get faults. You go hear them saying, Jamie, collect my pikin. Jamie, collect my pikin. And the worst part of it all, they know they talk what they do before Jamie will collect your pikin. They know they talk what they do. The only thing when they talk, Jamie are bad people. They collected my child from me. They collected my child from me. And even last year, I saw some people, some group of women. Now, so they see they complain, they cry up and down. Before Jamie go come collect your pikin from me, there must be something. They don't observe so many things. Most especially, those one will be say get socials where they come their house. Some women don't get sense. Some women are just too irresponsible for my liking. Being a single mom does not make you a stupid person. Being a single mom does not mean you should be stupid as well. As a single mom, there are ways you live your life and there are things you do. I remember those days when I see the date. My exes can testify to that. You see, this is my only child. My child soul. I know they use and play. Even then when I see the date, kiss, I know the kiss for where she did. I had a friend boy, but I know they do nonsense for where she did. Even after this man, me and my man, that time we got did the same house. If we want kiss like this, we'll look here. Before we you'll see some mothers where their children they go, they do like this. They'll do like this for the presence of their children. Go where their husband or boyfriend, they'll begin to do like this, or begin to do all nonsense. Those children, they look her, they copy her, they take her. But for your mind, you feel saying a better thing they do. Now lie, those children are learning from it. There is a video I saw of two children, and one video like that for two children. Then they begin the open body, they took everything. I just look and see them. Are you responsible more now? What did they see their mother do now? Mothers, know what to do in presence of your children. Imagine even this lady now. I remember say one guy, I've been an ex-boyfriend, fair talk and say he two children said that they sleep together. Why? You did one room with your children. Know the things you do. If you want to have fun with your man, let them sleep first. I will still remember those days when we say I see the date. Sometimes because not be, I always say good women, men not like they don't get lucky of men. Not be every woman like to change man. Any woman when they date man, he still say the man way not good. He go leave am. I not come because of what people go talk. Come say me I not date again. I go date. I'll try my luck. In those days, sometimes if I see guy, I say, God, maybe this one still good for me, oh. Because I know one man I call they carry the fefe man come they meet my daughter for house. Make she they see the fefe man they come out, they come in, they come out. I don't need them. I go they pray. And some of them, they know the reason why woman they leave man. Those days when I say the reason waiting make me see they leave this man, one of the reason, and because of all this yama when this boy when did that video now they do with this girl, they know they respect children. They don't even care what that pikin did there. They'll begin to talk some kind of vocal words for the presence of children. They'll begin to talk nonsense. There is another video of this lady again when I see I go see post on your snap. See what when she they talk for where children they make her do the second part.